there, my favorite first grade friends. It's Wednesday, February the 16th of 2021.
What are we doing in science today?
We will explain what we know about the weather. What's the weather like today where you are? Do you need an umbrella? Is it rainy? Is it sunny and you need your sunglasses? Or is it cold and you're going to build a snowman? Today, we're going to talk more about the weather. How? First, we will watch a video, then write about activities and clothing for different weather types. Remember those activities from yesterday? Like this is one, an activity you could do in the snow. Snowman, snowball fight. We also have been talking about clothing, like when should I put on my rain boots? When should I wear my warm weather coat? Today you are going to show me what you know. Why? We will understand the different kinds of weather and how you can be prepared. What clothes should you wear? What activities can you do? We have been working on this for a few days. Today we'll have one more video, then you will write for me all that you know. Ready, Freddies? Here comes our weather video. Look out your window. What's the weather like today? Tell me. Oh, yeah, same here out my window. I see the same.
Did the rain gauge rise on the stormy skies? The windside points to the west, raincoat may be there.
Ooh, raincoats.
Oh, the weather can tell us how we ought to dress.
We talked about clothes. When should we wear what kind of clothes? Look at this girl here. She has dressed for what kind of weather? The stormy, rainy clouds. Nice job. Look at him. He has worn his beanie, his scarf, and his mittens for what kind of weather? Cold weather. Good job. All right, check out these clothes and these weather types. What do you think this first fellow? He is very hot. You got it. So he's drinking water. He's wearing his flip-flops and a tank top. He is in the hot, hot summer. But check out this guy. He's not in the hot summer. What do you think he's prepared for? What's the weather like where he is? The leaves are falling? Maybe it's windy? Or is that a raincoat? Is it rainy that day where he is? Could be. Name these weather types. This first one is very sunny, nice, or clear. No clouds, just hot, hot sun. What about this middle picture? What do you see falling from the clouds? Rain. Better grab your umbrella. And the last picture here, icy or snowy. Very cold. Gotta wear your hat, your mittens, and be prepared for the cold winter weather.
What is that the mama say? Is a heat wave on the way? Or is it chilly? I've got the cold front that we got, where the changes from cool
The weather changes. It can change in one day. The morning could be cold and the afternoon could be hot. Or maybe in the morning it's foggy and in the afternoon it's sunny. But the weather can change each day or each month and definitely with the seasons. We've been studying this weather for many days. We've talked about your clothing to wear, and we've talked about your activities to do. One more time, let's go look at some of those vocabulary words and pictures. Our first weather type is summer. Hot, 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 sunny and clear. There's a lot of heat energy, not many clouds, and you will want to wear your sunglasses, maybe a hat, a swimsuit, and go outside to do something to cool yourself off. Ooh, we talked about rainy weather. You'll need to get your umbrella. Maybe you have a raincoat or rain boots, and you can go outside and jump in the puddles. Or if you would prefer to stay inside on a rainy day, maybe video games or movies are an activity you could do. Ooh, we had a snow day here in Elgin. Think back to that icy, snowy, cold weather. The ground was covered with ice and snow. You had to put on your warm weather clothes, your mittens, your hat, your scarf, so you could maybe go sledding or build a snowman or throw a snowball at somebody. And the last weather type we'll review today is windy, the perfect kind of weather for flying a kite. The weather is blowing things around like leaves or maybe even a paper airplane. We have been looking at all of these weather words and pictures for many days now. Today, it is your turn to show me what you know. We will be writing all about the weather, the activities, and the clothes. Get yourself ready and get out your pencil. You will also need your crayons today. And number 3, you gotta have a journal. Turn to a clean page where we can write about the weather today. You see, I'm checking all my pages because I don't want to waste any paper. On our new clean page today, we are all going to begin with today's date. It is up here on my screen. Copy it with me, please. 2/16/2021. And for today's writing, we will all begin with our first name and last name on the top of our page. My first name is Kaylin with a capital K. Now you will need a capital letter, but you're not copying that your name is Kaylin because I know that's not your name. You will write your name with a capital letter. Once you have your first name with a capital letter, put your finger space. Oh, can you see mine? And then you need your last name with a capital letter. Ooh. Otis. Will you please check your journal that you're ready to write today? You have first name capital letter, last name capital letter, today's date. Check, check, check. Now move on down to your lines. And here you are telling me all you know about the weather. If you don't know where to start, look out the window. What's the weather like today? You can look here in your slides and say, is it clear? Is it hot? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it icy or cold? Or is it windy? Tell me what the weather is like today. After that, tell me what clothes you're wearing. What clothes do you need to wear on that type of weather day? And activities. Look out the window. What's something you would like to go do outside in this kind of weather today? Oh, there's no snow. You're not building a snowman. But maybe you want to ride a bike or fly a kite. Start with today's weather. Tell me all you can about today's weather, your clothes, and your activities. After you've told me about that, you can add a picture up top. Show me the weather for today. But then maybe today's weather is just sunny and clear. and you really want to tell me all you know about the snow. I would love to hear what you know about the snowy weather. Come take a look on this slide. Remind yourself that type of weather, what kind of clothes to wear, and what activities you could do that day. Write for me about that too. All of these pictures and words are here to help you. I want to know what you know about the weather. Look through all of them and write for me all that you can. In your best handwriting, use your finger spaces, and don't forget capital letters and periods. When you have written all that you can for me about the weather, make sure you go look at all the cards, all the words, all the pictures. Tell me all you know. Then read it to yourself one time. Make sure you can read your writing, that it sounds good. Then you'll be ready to take a picture and upload to your teacher in Google Classroom. Great job working on the weather today. I cannot wait to read all that you know, my weathermen and weatherwomen. Hasta mañana!